What's up guys, this is Greg with Dirt King. I'm here to go over our locking alignment cam kit. We're going to go over the factory kind of flaws with the factory cams and give you the benefits of ours.
These do work from 99 to 18 for the GM 1500 platform, as well as 01 to 10, 2500 and 3500s.
Getting into the stock one, you can see right here, these are on like a factory kind of oval shaped swivel, and there's just a plastic guard in there that locates this pin. The problem with that is hitting hard impacts or vibrations down the road even, these over time can start allowing the front end to kick out of alignment. It's actually a pretty frequent, common issue that we run into on all these Chevys. So you'll see ours, they are actually drilled out and slotted. So whenever this is located onto the pin, it physically cannot move. This will pretty much eliminate you ever having to get an alignment again, unless you do a suspension upgrade, you adjust ride height, whatever. This physically cannot move after that. You will also see that this is the exact same range of motion. So a lot of people will ask about the center divide. This has the exact same settings as a factory cam. So you don't have to worry about not being able to get your truck into spec anymore or anything like that. I'm gonna give you a lowdown on how to simply install these in your home driveway. Easiest thing to do is take your truck to get to your nearest alignment shop and get it fully aligned. You'll see that this factory bolt has a flat edge to it, and your stock cam has a flat edge to it, which allows it to swivel on this bolt to set your alignment. You'll see on ours it's just standard hardware with a round circle, so you can't swivel it obviously. So take it, get the alignment done at your nearest alignment shop, and then just simply come home, mirror image this cam to it, and mark with a Sharpie whichever hole lines up with this pin, and simply just label front to back, mark each hole. Go ahead and unbolt the stock stuff, pull it all off, and set your new ones on there with your holes lined up. Your truck will stay in a factory alignment. It will not be in any different setting than it was, and you can do that in an hour in your driveway.
This is a great option for any truck from 99 to 18, 1500, or 01 to 10, 2500 and 3500s, whether it's a stock daily driver, a lifted application, or with our bolt-on long travel kit.
They're available on our website, dirtkingfabrication.com, and they're always in stock.